Hello everyone, this is Raif Hashash. Today I will teach you how to update to Windows 11 version 22H2 even if your computer or laptop doesn't meet the minimum requirement. And also I will show you what free application comes with Windows 11, and I will show you some tips and tricks and advice on Windows 11. So let's start. Before I update my Windows to Windows 11 22H2, let me check my version. Winver. Okay, my version is 21H2. So now I want to update to the latest version. Let me go to Windows Update. Check for update. So now my Windows is up to date, but I want to update to the latest Windows. So I have to go to Windows home page to download the latest one or update to the latest one. So I will go to Google and I will type Windows 11 ISO. So I will go to Microsoft home page. I will show you the way that people do it. First I will download the Windows 11 assistant. And this is the assistant. It says this PC doesn't meet the minimum system requirement to install Windows 11. So I will download the PC Health, and I've already downloaded. I will just open the application. All press run. Let me minimize it, and here PC Health, check. So my PC didn't meet the current requirement for Windows 11, but we can solve it. So what can I do? So in this way I'll close this. I will go back to the window, and then I will download Windows 11 disk image ISO. I will select it and do download, and I will choose my language. I'll put that almost everyone uses this language, which is English United States, and then confirm. I've already downloaded the Windows 11 22H2, so I don't need to download it again. And I will go and download the google.com. Now I will open the Internet Explorer, and on Google I will search for Rufus. Okay, this is the link. And here in Rufus, don't download the latest version, select other version, GitHub, because on the latest version, if I go and select my other image, I don't find the one which is disable the, because I don't want the TPM to check for the TPM. So that's why I don't like this version. I will make close, I will not continue. I will choose this one, other version. Here, first version, GitHub. I will choose the one which is RUS4 3.18 XE, not the latest one, 3.20, 3.18 XE. Don't choose another one, only 3.18 XE, and I will download it. Now I want to show you why I like this version. So here I'll choose the USB and I will select the image, select desktop, Windows 11 22H2. So here I can select see, I don't want to download the latest version. I'll make close. So here I will select extended Windows 11 installation, no TPM. If you have an advanced computer that support TPM, yes, I advise you to select TPM and secure boot, but my computer doesn't. It's the 10th generation. It doesn't support it, so I can download this version, and then I will press start. Okay, and everything will be erased from the USB. I just forgot to mention something here. I can change the name, so I will call it Windows 11 22H2. This is better, and I will press start. Okay, everything will be erased and format. I'll press OK. Okay, now when everything is done, I will go to my USB and I will install it. Setup. Now we are installing. Install Windows 11. Okay, I will press next. Checking for update. So far, so good. Let me minimize these, and we don't need them anymore. Checking your PC. Okay, accept. Checking Windows update. I will close this, we don't need it anymore. Getting update. Now it is ready to install. I just need to press install and continue. Now it's installing Windows 11, and we have to be patient. It might restart several times, don't worry. It's nice to wait for the new Windows 11 2022 H2. Now it's searching for the bootene. It just gave me a message that I have to remove the USB to be able to continue my installation. After I remove it, I press yes. If I press no, then I will install a clean copy. And now I'm doing an update for Windows 11 22H2. Okay, now I will test the File Explorer. This is the File Explorer, but I don't have the tabs. I heard that Windows 11 22H2 in the File Explorer it has tabs, so So what will I do? I cannot find the file tab in the File Explorer, so I will go to Google and I will type how to enable file tab in Windows 11. So I will go to GitHub website and I will download ViveTool. GitHub website, ViveTool, GitHub website, ViveTool. So I will download the latest one, so this one. Okay, this is the download.zip, and this is the file extraction, and it's here. So I will go to command prompt. I'll type cmd and run as administrator. Okay. So I will copy the path. Copy. Here I write cd space c the path, c and the path of it. Okay. Now I will type this one. Okay, then I will add this command. Remember, it has to be the same command that I am putting it. Then the third one is this command. Now I have to restart my computer. Okay, I didn't do anything, but this is what happened when the Windows loaded. After rebooting, CMD or the PowerShell have loaded and gave me this messages. And here there's a tab. Let me see in the File Explorer, do I have tab now? Yes, look, I have tab. So let's say here I want to go to the download page, and here I want to go to the document page, so I can switch between tab. And if I press Ctrl 1, I'll move to the tab 1, Ctrl 2, I'll move to the tab 2, Ctrl 3, and if I want to close the tab, let me add more tabs here. Let's say I want to close here, so everything from the right it will close. I will just press close tabs to the right, so every tab from here to the right it will close. See? Let me open new tabs, so I'll give another example. So let's say I want to delete this one. This is close tab, so it will close this tab. So this one, if I press close other tab, it will close all the tabs except this one. Yep. And as I said, if I open a lot of tabs, let me try that. Let's say this is important, I want it here. Okay, and these I don't want them. I will stand in the place that I don't want the other to close, and everything from the right it will close. Okay, excellent. A new feature that came on Windows 11. Here I can see the weather, and here also it opened the widget. I can also press window logo with W. It will open the widget. Widget, it's a very nice application. You can see all the information you want, and you can focus on the information that you want. You can organize the calendar, you can see the weather, you can check the stocks if you want, and also you can see your favorite pictures, and you can see the sports, and also you can get tips or get a helpful computer advice, and you can put the application to do and to stay on top of each other, and you can see the weather as you see it here, and you'll get all the top stories that you want. And here you can see more if you want. Open a browser, and plus you can add your own widgets. You can for example you can photos, you can add the tips. We close it, and here you can organize. You want it medium, you want it large, you want it back medium, and there's the weather. You want it small, you want it medium, you want it large, or you can customize. You can unpin the widget, and I can open the action or press window logo with A, and this is my action. I can put the volume high, I can put contrast, and I can put the Bluetooth. The new thing that comes with Windows 11 startup menu is that you can customize the menu the way that you want. You can, for example, group two application or item together. Let's say I want to group this one with this one together, so they are in the same folder, and I can also rename the folder. If favorite, for example, and I can add this one also if I want. If I change my mind, I can move it and take it out, and this one also. Okay, and then if I want to see more application, I just have to press all apps, so I can see all the apps application. I can go back, and here I have the recommended. I can see all the recommendation. If I want to change the setting, I will go to taskbar, start, and here I can change the behavior of the startup menu. Do I want it more pins? So here I have more pins, or the default it will be like this, or more recommendation. So I will choose which one I want, and here I can show, do I want more application, and show most apps used. So here it will show me. If I change them to default, I have more. And another thing that came in new is the start window, and I can add new pin here. Let's say this one, Amazon store. Can do right click and pin to start. So when I press, I can see the Amazon. If I change my mind, I can right click and unpin from start, or I can add it to the task manager, or unpin from the task manager as I did before. This one, for example, more, pin to task manager, or I can pin to start. I'll go back, pin to start, and I can group them together if I want. Plus another thing, if I go to the taskbar, I press task setting, personalize my taskbar. I can put, for example, the search. I had the search button here. I can put the chat. I will have the chat. And my computer is not touch. If the computer support touch screen, you can add the pen or the touch keyboard. Now I will show you a demo on the laptop. Here, when I go to the end of the taskbar of the icon, show hidden icon, so I will see the other hidden icon. And now I will show you the touch keyboard. And now if I want to start the paint and draw on the paint. And this is the start menu. If I don't like it, if I don't like it in the middle and I want it to be like the old Windows on the left, I just go to taskbar setting. I'll go to personalization, taskbar behavior. Now it's center. I can put it to the left, so it will go like Windows 10. Center, it will go back like Windows 11. Here, show taskbar on all icon display. As I said, if I have multiple windows and I just want it to show on the main screen, if I deselect it, all the other screens it will not show. Also icon tray is this one. I can enable this. I can disable Bluetooth, but I can still see it if I show more. And here, as I said, using multiple windows, all tasks, so all windows, it will show all the tasks that I am seeing. And here, as I said, task where Windows is open. Here, if I put all tasks, and if I have multiple windows, and all the windows, it will show the same. This one, main task and task where Windows is open, so it will put the windows that is open on the main task and the other screens that maybe I have 2 screens, maybe I have 3 screens on the screen which is open. And the third one, it will put all the tasks in the main screen, and it will show the window which is open on the monitor that I have chosen it. Here I will show you I have multiple screens. I have 3 screens. So here, use multiple display shows my task apps on. If I put where Windows is open, look at the screen before I change it. It has multiple icon, and even this one. So where the Windows is open, so here is the main Windows. It has all the multiple screen, but this one now have changed. Look, I'll put it all tasks. See, now I will change it to where Windows is open. It will change, and even this one. Let's try this one in the middle. Main task and task where Windows is open. So here, because I am opening this application, press Window I, or I can do right click task setting. Then I will go to apps. Then I will go to startup option, and here I can maximize the loading. Sometimes you have a lot of application and the Windows is slowed down, so like this you can slow down the procedure. Here in personalization I can choose my background picture, or I can select a theme. Let me show you here, for example, for theme. I can choose a theme from where it is located, or I get more themes. We press browse themes and we'll get more themes from Microsoft Store. For example, let's say I want this theme. Let's say I want this one. I will press get. I will make the window a little bit smaller so you can see better. Now I will press open. And I will click on the icon, beach glow, and then it will change the screen. And also it will not change only the main screen, it will change all the, if you have a multiple screens, and they won't be the same picture. Every screen will have a different picture. It will look very nice as if you have multiple PC. You have 3 screens. The theme, it is not the same. This is what the nice about it. And then when the picture change, the one on the left have changed. Windows 11 shortcut. If you press Windows button with W as widget, then a new widget panel will open on the left side. If I press window logo with A, it stands for the action center, and this will allow me to adjust the monitor brightness and also my volume level and some other things. If I press Windows button with N, this will open the notification, and also it will show me the calendar. If I open window logo with Z is Zulu, it will snap out the layers of the windows. Like let me show you this one, for example. If I go to maximize, here it will adjust which layout I want to put it. Let's say I want to put it over here, then I change my mind, I want to put it like this. It will help me to organize my working. A new features that came on Windows 11, if you want to go to the task manager, you just press ctrl+shift+esc, then you are directly on the task manager, then to press ctrl+alt+delete. Nice thing about Windows 11 is that it comes with mail application. It's a very good mail application. You can check all your emails, but it doesn't have, for example, a rule. You cannot make a rule, but it has everything you need for the email. Also it has a calendar that it comes with the application of the email. It's good, and also you can switch to people, and you can switch to do. You can check your emails. You can switch to calendar. You can see your contact people. you can switch to do application, to Microsoft do application. Yeah, it's excellent. And plus another thing, you can connect to Office, and this application, it will switch to you. You want Office Online, which is free, or you want to download or buy Microsoft 360. But by the way, now the Office a new name, it's Microsoft 365. It has very good plans. I will show you. You can download it, and you can and it has so many options. Let me see you here. Here, as I said, you can see which way you want it, or you want it full screen. Here there is so many plans suits you, and if you want the Office for free, you'll get Word, you'll get Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, and Teams. And here, if we go to apps, you can get all the apps of the Microsoft Office, and here there's more apps. You're getting all this. It comes with Microsoft Windows 11, but these are onlines. You cannot use them offline unless you download the application. Here, example in Word, the Office app is becoming the new Office 365 app. Your home to find, create, and share your content and ideas. Here, we're gonna create a blank document. Of course, we can choose a template. We can open a received document. We can open a file from the desktop. We just need to press upload. There's a video I made how to use Office for free. You can watch for details about Office. Now I will continue about Windows 11. There's something I have to mention that comes with Office. It is the OneDrive, which is online storage, and there's also OneNote. You can also use the OneNote. Also, it comes with Office Online, and as I mentioned, it comes free with Windows 11. Now I will continue about top tricks of Windows 11. Windows 11 nice feature that it has a free video editor, and it's being buried within the photo app. We just need to start, and here type video editor, and here we do a new video project, and this is the Windows video editor that it comes with the Windows. It is a very good video editor, but it doesn't have some extra things like transaction, and plus it will render video at 1080p. But it's good. Otherwise, if you want something more professional, you can use Windows Share Firmware. Do you know that screen recorder, it comes free with Windows 11? It is called the Xbox game bar. You just need to press the window logo with G, Xbox game, window logo with a G, and it will can record the desktop, and it can record the File Explorer, and it can record the games that you are playing. New feature in Windows 11, it is the quick assistance tool. If you have a friend or a family member who needs help on his computer, instead of solving the problem on the phone, which will be hard to do it, you can simply access to his computer and do the job for him. So here we type quick assistant. The quick assistant, it will can generate a code that you can provide the code to the other person, and then you can access to their computer and try to solve it. It's like using, for example, a program called Team Viewer. You can access someone else's computer. Right now I cannot do a demo because I have just one computer. I don't have the another computer to show it to you. I'll make a video to show you a full detail. Do you know that you can run Android on Windows 11? You just need to open the Microsoft Store, and then in the Microsoft Store you have to search an application that runs under Android. I will show you an example. Let me just type here Android. Okay, let me choose. Let's for example choose this one. Okay, so here we'll get this application from Amazon Appstore. You press it. Okay, use mobile apps on your PC setup. Okay, now next. If you want, you can press it. Download. Okay, now we press next. So we need to restart the PC. I'm gonna press start. Booting or restart the computer. An application is showing start Windows Subsystem for Android. So let me go to the Microsoft Store, Amazon Appstore. The Amazon Appstore preview allows you to easily access a growing catalog of mobile apps and games on Windows 11 computers. Or open. Now after launching the Amazon application, here it will ask you, are you a Amazon customer, sign in, or you can create a new Amazon account. In the Amazon, I will download a game called chess. Now after the download is complete, I will open the chess application that I downloaded, which runs under Android, and I am running it on Windows. I can move it as if I am using a normal window application. And this is excellent. And I am testing the game. I can uninstall the game, I can pin to start, I can pin to task. As if I am using a window application, I can add and remove this game. Let's say I want to remove it, I can remove this game. If you don't want to use Amazon, you can download BlueStacks. BlueStacks, I have tested it. It's a very nice application, and you can download a lot of games. I always prefer to download the latest version. You just need to download it and install it, and you can run the Android application. Another feature that we can find it in Windows 11 is that it comes with a free antivirus. So here, if I type virus, so here it has a free antivirus that it comes, and it's an excellent application. And another thing it comes, it's voice to text. I will just type microphone setup. Here I can set up the microphone for speech recognition, but now I cannot try it because I am recording the video, but this is the idea. Thank you very much. I hope that you liked my video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.